ka. Ay, siyempre, may kita eh.
O, teka guys!
Babawin ko rin yan.
Ready na si Alden! Lola, sa hiling number 3 mo.
Yung kakanta!
Handa ka na ba?
Ako, may kakanta. Mamaya na ako inom yan.
O Lola, kakaibang harana ito.
Mamaya na ako iinom yan.
Kakantahin ni Alden live.
Wow!
Ang isa sa mga kantang napaka-espesyal kay Yaya Dub at kay Alden. Yan ang
God gave me you!
Lola,
Para kay Yaya Dub, kay Lola, at sa Aldab Nation. Ito na siya, Alden Richards!
For all the times I felt you, I complain. You know how I like to complain. From all the lies I've repeated, though I was to blame, I still curse that rain. Didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel. It's right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know. Cause God gave me you.
Naiyak si May!
Of all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. From every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free, and I truly believe. Than just how I feel, that I'm worth, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do. Cause God gave me you. In your arms I'm someone new, with every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. Mga Dabber Cats, kung napupunan niyo po, palagi ako nagpapasalamat. Pero tong kantang to, gusto ko munang ialay ito kay Meng. Meng, para sa ito. It's right before my eyes. Cause God gave me you. God gave me you. Cause God gave me you.
Thank you. Thank you, Alden.
naramdaman ko yun. Grabe.
Grabe ka naman, Alden. Ba't ka ganyan?
Ba?
At saka ito,